Welcome to Blaine Chiropractic Accident Injury Center with Dr. Dan Richter, your Blaine, Minnesota chiropractors. We offer 3 categories of therapies to relieve your whiplash injury pain, relax your neck muscle spasms, and increase your neck range of motion. These whiplash injury therapies will help you work pain-free, sleep pain-free, and even wash or comb your hair pain-free. Over the years, our chiropractic doctors have helped hundreds of patients suffering from a whiplash injury just like you. The first set of whiplash injury therapies we apply is to stop your pain and reduce any associated inflammation. Chiropractic physical medicine relieves whiplash injury pain by gently aligning the fixated spinal bones, thereby relieving jammed spinal joints, pinched nerves, disc bulges, or even disc herniations. Our mild low current whiplash injury therapy blocks the pain signal by activating the same receptors in the brain and spinal cord that are targeted by pain relieving drugs, but without the side effects. Another whiplash injury therapy we use relieves your pain by decreasing inflammation and reducing the activity of inflammatory proteins called cytokines, which cause whiplash injury pain. Yet another therapy relieves your whiplash injury pain by stimulating your inflamed cells' metabolism of oxygen. And what this does is it boosts the analgesic effects. The second set of whiplash injury therapies is applied to reduce your muscle pain and spasms. Our manual muscle therapy relieves whiplash injury muscle pain based on the gate theory of pain control. And what that does is it blocks the pain signals from the muscles to the brain. The reciprocal inhibition muscle therapy applies a nerve reflex on one side of your whiplash injury to relieve tight and contracted muscles on the other side of that joint. Another whiplash injury muscle therapy we use helps to relieve tender trigger points within the belly of tight or spastic neck muscles. The third set of whiplash injury therapies is applied to increase your ability to move fully and pain-free. Now, chiropractic physical medicine helps to increase whiplash injury joint mobility, whereby increasing your neck range of motion and your ability to move pain-free. Our active whiplash injury therapies increase the strength of your neck, whereby decreasing the likelihood of you suffering from a permanent whiplash injury. The good news is our chiropractic doctors use only safe and effective whiplash injury therapies. All of our whiplash injury therapies are proven to be effective through years of research, experience, and of course our own patient results. These proven chiropractic therapies focus on relieving your whiplash injury pain, decreasing your neck muscle spasms, while increasing your ability to move your neck pain-free. So you can get back to work pain-free, sleeping pain-free, and be able to get dressed pain-free or any of your vital activities of daily living. Each whiplash injury therapy is applied based on the results of your history, symptoms, physical examination findings, and tests. All of the therapies our chiropractors use to relieve your whiplash injury pain have been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Our chiropractic physical medicine treatments will relieve your whiplash injury pain, reduce your muscle spasms, and increase your neck mobility. All of our whiplash injury therapies are proven to be safe, effective, and gentle. In fact, patients often doze off while on our whiplash injury therapies. On your first visit to Blaine Chiropractic Accident Injury Center, our chiropractors would use the appropriate therapies to relieve your whiplash injury pain as fast as possible. A whiplash injury commonly results from a major trauma, such as a car accident injury or sports injury. Whiplash spinal trauma commonly results in a pinched nerve, a bulging disc, or jamming of the spinal joints. Now, whiplash injury will cause your body to respond with neck or arm pain, muscle spasms, and limited and painful mobility. If you have a pinched spinal nerve, you may also feel burning, tingling, or numbness, or even weakness into the arms. We understand how whiplash injury pain can disrupt your life, including limiting your ability to work, sleep, or even get dressed in the morning. The bad news is when physical injuries such as a whiplash injury do not receive physical medicine, they often heal wrong. The leading cause of arthritis in the neck is when whiplash injuries do not receive physical medicine and heal wrong. Unfortunately, we see patients who do not receive physical medicine after a whiplash injury, healed wrong, and now suffer a permanent injury. Chiropractic physical medicine can help you feel better quickly and decrease the likelihood of you suffering a permanent whiplash injury. Years of research has documented the effectiveness of chiropractic physical medicine in helping patients relieve their whiplash injury and get back to a normal life. The Journal of the American Medical Association released new guidelines that encourages chiropractic before surgery. The Physical Medicine Journal documented how chiropractic helps the vast majority of patients with pain and muscle spasms. Our chiropractic doctors are licensed by the state and federal government for the examination, diagnosis, and treatment of patients suffering from a whiplash injury. You do not need a referral from a medical provider to see our chiropractors. You can call us directly at 763-566-8023. We accept all insurance, including all major medical insurance, auto insurance, workers' compensation insurance, Medicare, and Medicaid insurance. A car accident whiplash injury would include all the car insurance policies, including State Farm, Allstate, Geico, Progressive, Nationwide, and all the other car insurance policies. If your whiplash injury was due to a car accident, there would be no copay with your whiplash injury treatment. Also, there would be no deductible for your whiplash injury treatment. Your whiplash injury doctor visits and treatment would be covered 100% at Blaine Chiropractic Accident Injury Center by the car insurance policy. Just give us a call right now and our insurance staff will verify your whiplash injury benefits over the phone. And the number you can call is the 763-566-8023. We make it safe and easy for you to try our proven and effective whiplash injury pain relief therapies with our Whiplash Injury New Patient Special. Now, the Whiplash Injury New Patient Special includes 4 parts. Part 1 is a private consultation with one of our chiropractic doctors. Part 2 is a range of motion exam to find which joints are restricted and painful due to your whiplash injury. Part 3 are nerve tests to determine exactly which nerve is causing your whiplash injury pain. Part 4 are muscle tests to isolate your weak and painful or spastic neck muscles. Part 5 are orthopedic tests to determine which joints in your neck may be limiting your neck mobility. And Part 6 is one chiropractic treatment as appropriate to immediately give you some whiplash injury pain relief. And Part 7 is a bonus bottle of BioFreeze, and that is a natural whiplash injury pain relieving gel. Now, the normal cost for the 7-part Whiplash Injury New Patient Special can be over $250. When you pick up the phone and call our office today, the car insurance policy will cover 100% of our 7-part Whiplash Injury New Patient Special. The reason we offer a Whiplash Injury New Patient Special is to make it easy for you to experience how we can relieve your whiplash injury, pain, and muscle spasms. We feel confident our chiropractic whiplash injury therapies will help you feel much better. All you need to do is call our office right now, really to find out for yourself. And that number is 763-566-8023. The Whiplash Injury New Patient Special does come with a 2-part guarantee. And Part 1 is if you are not 100% satisfied with our services within 72 hours of your first visit, there will be no cost and the insurance will not be billed. Part 2 is there's no waiting. You will see one of our chiropractic doctors within 7 minutes of your scheduled appointment. However, the Whiplash Injury New Patient Special is limited to the first 10 new patients that call in any month due to space restrictions. Be sure to call right now and claim one of the 10 limited Whiplash Injury New Patient Specials. We look forward to meeting you and relieving your whiplash injury pain so you can get back to an active, pain-free life. When you call, be sure to ask our receptionist if we still have available one of the 10 whiplash injury new patient specials. Call Dr. Dan Richter, your Blaine, Minnesota chiropractor. You can see one of our chiropractic doctors right now and start living a pain-free life today. And the number to call is 763-566-8023.